This is the Pixels one-year overview reading for the year of 2025. It's currently September 16th, 2024, 10:10 p.m. Eastern Time. Pixels at the time it's reading is 0.12136, or just over 12 cents USD. The shuffle video for the Pixels reading was created on August 4th, 2024 at 7:34 p.m. Eastern Time. That's the video playing for you in the lower left corner. In this video, we're going to go over the overall theme and behavior of Pixels throughout the year 2025. We're going to talk about chart behavior in relation to the highest highs for the year and the lowest lows for the year. We're going to talk about one of the best trades that we see in the year, and then we're going to give you chart behavior, general chart behavior by the quarter. At the end of the video, to get the timing, we're going to talk about highs and lows and all that, but to get the timing of the highest highs and the lowest lows for the year, that's something that you would get in the paid version of this video, along with all of the trades, not just one of them. But with that said, let's get into it. So the overall theme and behavior for the year, we have a fast sudden move higher. That fast sudden move higher on a multi-year scale is crossed with a period of sideways rotation and a sharp drop that stands out in that period of sideways rotation. We should revisit a support level that was recently a past opportunity. So on the scale of a 1 year, probably within the last 12 months, probably sooner. Either that or it's a revisiting throughout the year of 2025. That could be another way to look at it. Probably the first of those two choices. Behavior around the highest high, we have a sideways rotation and then a big move higher, followed by sideways rotation at a higher price level. Behavior around the lowest low, we attempt to establish support with sideways rotation near the lowest low. So for the first quarter, it looks like we have pretty bearish in January. Gets a little bit mixed, like a pretty big move off of a trough in late January, taking us into a crest in February, and then probably the high of the first quarter midway through March. It might be a similar high to that of February, but probably the high for the first quarter there in mid-March. A move higher early in the second quarter to a peak, followed by significant decline into a trough midway through the second quarter, and then another move to the upside back to a peak at the end of the second quarter. In the third quarter, we've got, it looks like it's pretty mixed early in the third quarter, but it ends up with a peak midway through the third quarter, and then it looks like bearish as we go into the end of the third quarter, taking us to a significant trough there, a significant peak mid-third quarter, significant trough at the end of the third quarter, another significant trough in the beginning of the fourth quarter, and it looks like it's pretty mixed, but remains kind of bearish. It looks like, no, it's pretty mixed. It's back and forth kind of going on in the fourth quarter, from a trough to a peak, back to a trough. All right, so in the later part of January, I'd want to, before a big move higher, in the later part of January, we should do some sideways rotation before a big move higher. Like, we'll have a decline into it in the later part of January, open up long position there. We'll hold that long position. There's a few places you could close out of it, but probably the best place to close out of it, I mean, there's a ton of places. There's a ton of places that you could close out of it. I'd say probably, there's going to be a few places to trade this move to the upside, but if you just want to buy and hold, I would say buy in the later part of January and hold until that August high where you close out of it in the early part of August. That would be the long-term buy and hold for like a 1 year play. Now, which of those highs and which of those lows is the highest and the lowest? That's the type of information that you get in the paid version. There's two ways that you can go getting the paid information. It also includes all the best trades that we see, as well as cross-reading congruencies and chart information. You get the live updated Discord trade alerts. You get the link to the live trading view charts that are updated as well. All of that stuff as part of the total access pass that we have on our website. It gets you access to all of the 1 year readings, paid versions. It gets you access to everything basically on the site for a year. The other way that you could get the paid version, it doesn't come with the Discord alert access or the trading view chart per se, but you can get all the paid information aside from that by just ordering a custom Pixel reading. You do either of those on our website, Tarot for Traders. Great way to support the channel. Much love and appreciation. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button to let me know what you think. And as always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.